Introducing Krylon Harmony. Unlike traditional spray paint, Harmony features a low-odor formula, so it can be used virtually anywhere, inside or out, no matter the weather or time of day. Just make sure you're working in a well-ventilated space. Harmony works on nearly any surface, from ceramics and glass to metal, wood, canvas, and most plastics. Available in gloss, satin, and matte, in a wide range of on-trend colors. Before you start, gather your materials. Start with a clean, dull, and dry surface. When it's time to spray, make sure you hold the can 6 to 8 inches from your surface and spray in a smooth, continuous sweep. No need to pause between passes, and with no recoat time required, your next coat goes on whenever you're ready. Don't worry if the application looks uneven at first. Harmony has a self-leveling formula that smooths as it dries. Because of Harmony's formula, resist the urge to overspray. Put the can down and let Harmony work. Since Harmony is a water-based spray paint, overspray can be wiped up easily before it dries, and cleanup is simply soap and water. Harmony dries to the touch within an hour, is ready to handle after 4, and delivers a durable finish that lasts. Non-flammable and GREENGUARD Gold certified, Harmony is built for the spaces you live and work in. Krylon Harmony. Spray anywhere, durable everywhere.